I think to make your voice just sound cooler right now, we just need to add a little delay to your voice.
Benny.
Heard they snatch a nigga chain, better stand on business. Heard they blew your brother brain, better stand on business.
It's just about timing it right. Oh yeah, we do got the timing here, right? Yeah, we do got the time.
Heard they snatch a nigga chain, better stand on business. Heard they blew your brother brain, better stand on business. Tried to smut a nigga name, better stand on business. Hey, better stand on business. Heard they snatch a nigga chain, better stand on business. Heard they blew your brother brain, better stand on business.
Echo, you use an eighth or
It just depends on the track.
Some people use a quarter. I mean,
yeah, it just depends on the track. Depends on it depends on how often you want those echoes to. It's really about like being able to hear how an echo will fit in the track, because a quarter might be too slow.
Heard they snatch a nigga chain, better stand on business. Heard they blew your
like that. A quarter's gonna give it a whole different vibe. Listen to a quarter now.
Heard they snatch a nigga chain, better stand on business. Heard they blew your brother brain.
I can barely hear the echoes. You know what I mean? They're coming too late, so that's why I just chose an 8.
Heard they snatch a nigga chain, better stand on business. Heard they blew your brother brain, better.
And then to make the echoes feel a little bit more distant, add a little reverb to the echoes.
Heard they snatch a nigga chain, better stand on business. Heard they blew your brother brain, better stand on business. Tried to smut a nigga name, better stand on business.
Something like that. See, listen to me.
Heard they snatch a nigga chain, better stand on business. Heard they blew your brother brain, better stand on business. Tried to smut a nigga name, better stand on business. Hey, better stand on business. Heard they snatch a nigga chain, better stand on business. Heard they blew your brother brain, better stand on business. Tried to smut a nigga name, better stand on business. Hey, better stand on business.
I shut the fully, left the organs on this.
I like that.
A little delay, you know?
I feel like it's either too loud though, or it's too.
It might be too loud. So what you can do is duck it so that it's not hitting like when your main vocal
When the
comes
vocal
in.
is and only comes in the gaps.
Yeah, so basically I'm just gonna use a regular, I'll just do a stock compressor on the delay. I'm gonna do sidechain. We're gonna send some of the audio from your chorus vocal to the compressor. So I'm using bus 15. So in here I'm gonna key in the input bus 15, right?
Heard they snatch a nigga chain.
And now when I compress here, it's gonna be compressing those delays.
Heard they snatch a nigga chain, better stand on business. Heard they blew your brother brain.
See, you know what I'm saying? So
I never knew you could do that. You
Yeah.
could actually go. So I knew you can adjust your echo but I never knew you can actually compress the echo or even add like how you add a
yeah,
reverb
you can
to
add effects to your echoes. You can do a lot of stuff. So this is compressing the delay so that it only opens up after your after your phrases that you want it to open up on. So check it out.
Heard they snatch a nigga chain, better.
I got fully open. It's just all the time.
Heard they snatch a nigga chain,
But it kind of can get in the way of the vocal, right? So
Heard they snatch a nigga chain, better stand on business. Heard they blew your brother brain, better stand on business. Tried to smut a nigga name, better stand on business.
a little bit better.
And it sounds like it only repeats stand on business. I like that.
Hear it in the mix.
Heard they snatch a nigga chain, better stand on business. Heard they blew your brother brain, better stand on business. Tried to smut a nigga name, better stand on business. Hey, better stand on business. Heard they snatch a nigga chain, better stand on business. Heard they blew your brother brain, better stand on business. Tried to smut a nigga name, better stand on business. Hey, better stand on business.
I shut the fully, left the organs.
So will we do the same mix for the other hook piece? And
I
then
haven't even used the other one. I'm not really sure how I would use the other one yet.
it's like
I'm still working on
It's
it.
basically like a layer, kind of like a dub.
What I would do too with these is I would double these too. Ooh, snap, what's that? Hey man, don't be spilling water on the Hey man, rule number 1, no drinks.
Hey, don't put me on blast, homie.
No drinks on the studio table. What I was saying on here is we can add a delay. It's just gonna make your voice sound.
Oh, you added that to the one single vocal.
Yeah, exactly. So
I thought you added that to the other one and I thought you layered it in.
No.
Stand on business. Heard they blew your brother brain.
this is your vocal by itself.
Stand on business. Heard they
Adding this delay now.
stand on business. Heard they blew your brother brain, better stand on business. Tried to smut a nigga name, better stand on business. Hey, better stand on business. Heard they snatch a nigga chain, better stand on business.
I'm gonna roll out some of the lows because I don't really want the low end on the sides.
Stand on business. Heard they blew your brother brain, better stand on business. Tried to smut a nigga name, better stand on business. Hey, better stand on business. Heard they snatched a nigga chain, better stand on business. Heard they blew your brother brain, better stand on business. Tried to smut a nigga name, better stand on business.
See that back.
Stand on business. Heard they blew your brother brain, better stand on business. Tried to smut a nigga name, better stand on business. Hey, better stand on business. Heard this.
Yeah, sometimes you don't want the pan all the way to the left. Sometimes it sounds better when it's not fully.
Stand on business. Heard they blew your brother brain, better stand on business. Stand on business. Heard they blew your brother brain, better stand on business. Tried to smut a nigga name, better stand on business. Stand on business. Heard they blew your brother brain, better stand on business. Tried to smut a nigga name, better stand on business.
There's a little more dimension to it, so it's hitting the mix.
Business. Hey, better stand on business. Heard they snatched a nigga chain, better stand on business. Heard they blew your brother brain, better stand on business. Tried to smut a nigga name, better stand on business. Hey, better stand on business.
I shut the fully left the organs on his shirt like.
Yeah, I mean, I think that's cool. I don't know what else too much more that I would do to it. Hey, I hope you guys have learned something from today's video. I would love to hear your thoughts, so comment below and I'll check those out. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss any of the future videos coming up. My name is Princeton Brown. I'm a producer and mixing engineer based in Los Angeles, and I would love to hear from you. If you have a brand new song that you're working on and would love a mix on by me, send it my way. I would also love to give you feedback on the mixes that you're working on, so please send those my way. Last but not least, I have a free mini course called 6 Mix Finalizers. All of this information is in the description below. Thank you guys again for tuning in and watching. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.
Sonic Gold Production.